I would like to show you how I factor these two. Now, what I would like to take advantage is the like a cubed minus b cubed identity. It is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So in here, this will be 2 to the power 5 cubed minus 1 cubed. And according to this identity here, it's going to be 2 to the 5th minus 1 times 2 to the 5th square plus 2 to the 5th times 1 plus 1 square, right? And 2 to the 5th is 32, so minus 1 is going to be 31 times. Now, this is 2 to the 10th, which is 1024. This number is just a number that I think that usually we should memorize. 2 to the 5th is 32, so 33 plus 1 will be 33. Now, this is 31 times 10, 57. Now, this is something you can use your table to table E to factor it, but that's what I would do. It turns out this is going to be, you'll find a factor of 7, and then the other one is 151, and that will be it. For the second one, I actually want to take advantage of a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. So 10 to the 8th will be 10 to the 4th square. So this is going to be square, right? Minus 1. According to the identity, we have 10 to the 4th minus 1 and 10 to the 4th plus 1. And now 10 to the 4th minus 1 can be continued to factor as 10 square square minus 1. Think of this as 10 square and square minus 1. This is going to be 10,001. 10 to the 4th is 10,000. Now, 10 square minus 1, which is 100 minus 1, 100 square minus 1, you're going to get 10 square minus 1 times 10 square plus 1, and then 10,001. This is equal to, this is, so 10 square minus 1 is going to be 99, right? And this is 101. Now, this one, it's not that easy to factor because the table doesn't have any number greater than 9,999. This is so it will be a little tricky to factor, but I do know it. It's 137 times 73, and how we can actually factor that is not too hard. So there's a method introduced in section 3.6. Okay, section 3.6. There's some trial and error method that can be used to solve this problem, but I'll just right away tell you this is it. And this one can be factored as 9 times 11, and 101 is just a prime factor, so that would be it.